Hello, good morning sa may kaarawan ngayong araw na to kay Ate Anske Express. Nung una kitang nakilala sa YT World, Ate Anske, yun si Dulce Joy, si pinsan ko ang nag-introduce sa akin na pumunta ka dun dahil minsan busy ako sa trabaho ko dahil yun nga, night shift, pagod pagdating sa bahay, luto, kain, tulog, yun na lang ang daily routine ko. Pero pag premiere ko, andyan ka palagi, sumusuporta, lalo na yung mga yung ka-team mo, may mga Anske Express. Yan. Ngayon sa kaarawan mo, wala akong ibang hiling na sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing ni Lord at habaan pa yung buhay at marami ka pang matulungang mga taong nangangailangan. Yun lang ate, sana huwag kang magbago. Maraming salamat. Once again, happy birthday. Bye-bye!
Hi, Anske. Happy birthday to you. Continue being a good human job. Keep up the good work, Anske. Sana pagpalain ka palalo ni Lord sa mga pagtulong mo sa iba't ibang tao. So, medyo wala akong maisip kung ano sasabihin ko. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Happy birthday to you. Ang kulit ni Kate Chris, kinukulit niya ako na gumawa na daw ako ng video para sa iyo. So again, happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Anske. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. How young are you now? Hindi na ako mag-imim kay ate ha. Happy birthday. Og hinahot nga tagaan pa kayo nagpapagad og taas nga kinabuhi. Ingat. God bless. Mwah.
Hello. It's Ate Anske Express birthday. Hello, Ate Anske. It's Alisa. Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa. Hello. YTC Anske Express. Hello po. Happy birthday. May nagsabi po sa akin na birthday nyo this coming April 31 and I want to greet you a happy birthday. By the way, thank you for being friend in YT World. Salamat at nagkakilala tayo dito sa mundo ng YouTube, and then napaka-supportive nyo po. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Wala po akong masasabing iba pa kundi more power, stay strong, keep healthy, and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Ate Lisa. It's Anske Express. Bye. Have a birthday.
Mugit sa tag happy birthday daw, lalo birthday daw. Na.
a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ansky. Happy birthday, Ansky. Happy birthday, Ansky. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ansky. Happy birthday, Ansky. Stay healthy. God bless you always and more blessings together. Bye-bye.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ansky Express! Very express ang pag-video ko na ito kasi busy ang lola! Happy birthday, Ansky Express! I love you!
Hello, mega love shout out dyan sa Germany. Ayan, since Auntie, happy birthday. Ayan, wishing you good health always, and then more blessing to come and more candles to blow on your cakes. Ayan, just enjoy your day. Ayan, stay safe and God bless always. Greetings from Mia's Cakes.
Happy birthday, Ate Ans. Nguha siyang video. Nagi magpalupad. Tunga mo.
Lustig. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, liebe Tante Ansky, zu deinem 25. Viel Glück und Gesundheit und viel Geld.
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang magkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y di kayo malasing. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tutugan, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang lahat.
Yan. Ate Ansky, happy birthday. Ito po yung flowers na ibibigay ko sa iyo. Pero just a video. Not a person. Ito, Ate Ansky, happy birthday. More birthday to come. More blessing to come. And always good health. Sana marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy birthday sa iyo. More birthday, more cakes to slice. And always good health. And never give up, Ate Ansky. We love you from Team Coco. Kahit hindi tayo nakita ng personal, sana hindi ka nang magbago sa kabaitan mo. Thank you. Happy birthday and love you.
Yun, shout out po Ate Ansky Express. Happy birthday po. And wishing you many more birthday to comes. More happiness, more success sa YouTube channel mo. And most of all, more friends to come. Positive friends to come. And wishing you some breakthrough channel ate. I'm so thankful to know you with the 10 Minutes family. Wishing you happy birthday, stay safe, and stay healthy, stay happy. Alright. Bye-bye.
Hi!
Hi, Chowix right here. I'm here because birthday ng ating Anski Express. Happy birthday, Anski Express, all the way from Germany. A helpful friend, yes, a helpful, and a supportive. Yeah, mga masters dyan din. And yeah, I hope God will give you more blessings to come. And dami pang matulungan. And yeah, that's it. Stay humble and stay what you are. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Kitris from Germany.